This is my fourth time trying to record this thing. Every time I start and get going on it, I get too hot and I start swearing. And that's something that I said I would not do anymore on this channel. Point of the video, and what brings this up is that I've been getting some comments on the video that I posted the other day on my red channel, where I show how I, as in me, use my angle grinder to make straight and accurate cuts in steel. And I was very careful to qualify what I was saying there in that video. And the title was not how you can. The title is how I can. Me, as in me here in my shop, can use my grinder to make the cuts. And I spent the first I think 6 minutes of that video. Well, I don't have to think because people have pointed it out. Well, you wasted the first 6 minutes of the video explaining stuff to us that we already know. Well, no, you don't know it. According to the comments that I get, I'm not responsible for your safety in the shop. I'm not conducting a shop class here. Nobody is paying me for the instructions that I'm giving. What I'm doing here is I'm basically doing what I normally do in the way that I normally do it when you all are not watching me, that is, and that's not going to change. That may not be what the rule book says is the safest way to do it. You know, how you should always use the grinder with the guard on it. I don't do that because, like I said in the video, I don't need the guard. If your idea of quality content revolves around a person setting a good example, having all the proper guards in place, following all the proper rules, I recommend you go find that channel and watch them, stick with them. You're not going to find it here, okay? I'm going to continue doing things the way that I've always done them, for better or for worse. And if I injure myself, then that I will only have myself to blame. I won't be able to point to someone else. I won't be able to point to the fact that the guard wasn't in place. The guard wasn't there because I left the guard off. Now see, I went and did it. I swore, but I'll just bleep that one out.